To enable and use Creative Studio in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will need to activate Edge panel on your phone. To do it, open a settings and then navigate to display, where you can find the Edge panels right there. And now when your Edge panel is activated, swipe on it like this to open it, and that way you'll be able to find Creative Studio right here. You can always edit those icons if you're missing the Creative Studio and then add it from the left. Now when we click on our Creative Studio, it may ask you to log into your Samsung account, and after that you'll be able to create also all sorts of things like 3D cartoon style images, webtoon style images, or anything that you can find here basically. We can for example go for create a sticker, and then let's create a blue cat sticker. After a moment of waiting, the sticker should be generated. Keep in mind that it uses AI, so if you don't like it, then you will probably not like it. So that's how it looks like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.